This is your backflow preventer. This keeps the water from the irrigation systems from flowing back into the city water. This is all above ground, so it is subject to freezing during the winter time if the temperatures get down. So what you have inside this green box is a ball valve, and it is turned, what would that be, perpendicular. When I pull it all the way up, that feeds the water from your meter to the backflow preventer, and this side goes out to the irrigation. But before I do that, I need to take care of this up here.
Okay.
These are in the off position. If they're both turned the other way, they would be on. And see, we have loosened these, because if you have water in it and it freezes, it tries to expand.
That makes sense.
So we have to leave the backflow preventer in such a way that if there is any water left in there, it has room to expand. And here's a top with a seal, and I'm going to tighten down with my cordless drill.
Okay. Doing
a little bit at a time on each side so that you make sure and you get the same pressure on both sides. There you go. And that set my drill at a setting like that. Then each of these ports, when this screw is turned into one position, that's when it's on.
Okay.
So I'm going to turn it off sideways. Turn that one. And one last one.
So they're all turned to the left.
Now that is off. One more down. Yep, we did that. That was our first one. Okay, so that got them on. Now I'm ready to put the water to it.
Okay.
So I'm going to slowly pull up on this handle. I did not get any water there. So that means we have another cutoff underground, most likely down there at the street at your house meter. Because, well, wait a minute. Maybe I did hear some water. There I did. Yes, we have water.
Okay, so that's a good thing.
Yeah,
That's
that
what we're
line was
supposed to
already full, so that's why we didn't hear it. Now I'm opening it up a little bit at a time. I don't want to hit the sprinkler system with all that pressure at one time. Now, they are both on. Put my lid back in place.
And that's okay that that one doesn't turn all the way
All the
over.
way, yeah, it's just
Okay.
hitting this part. I don't
Okay.
know why they did that. But this is important. This is your emergency cutoff for the irrigation system.
Okay.
If someone were to cut a line and your irrigation was leaking water, you turn this off.
By pressing it down.
Yep,
Okay.
and that turns off all the water to the irrigation.
Okay.
Doesn't matter what the controller says inside your garage. This is the water source. Okay. So now I'm gonna turn it back on.
Okay. And that's it. So then
And
we
now we're
test
ready
to
to
see
put
if the water comes out.
That's right. Now we'll go to your controller in the garage and turn it on electronic.
Cool.